what happened was my tractor had front wheels is broken. With changing the tires on that. Which is always on my trailer. And you was on my trailer.
Go, let's change it.
Okay.
Front tires are cracked.
That trailer don't last that long. It's a little bit long.
Yeah. Okay, take that tire off. Come on, tire man. Straight up.
Tire.
Hey, tire man, where's my seat?
Okay. Come in.
Listen, put it down.
Pull it out. Yeah.
Clack, 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 clack. Look at the big hole. See, I even tried tape. I mean, I put some tape on it to make it last a little bit longer, but it's still.
I know.
Both of them?
Yeah, they both have a little bit of a crack. This one has a bigger crack.
I know.
Trying to make the authentic tire shop
What?
sounds. It's old, maybe. They just get old and they crack. See, like that. Vroom, vroom.
A tire roll down the hill.
Alright.
Try to place.
Hey, go get me my I need my oil.
Oil. Oh, got it.
I need my rag. I need my rag over here.
Oh, yeah.
And my other grease.
Oh, this box is little heavy. This box little.
No, I just need the rag.
A wrap.
Give me the rag.
Where?
Right here, the white. Stop dragging my tools all over that.
Dude, this box heavy. Okay. This one don't have you. Go where you pause. Okay. Me.
Well, okay, you put it on.
Yeah. Where's this block?
You get it on?
No.
Oh, you get right closer to me? The oil on. The washer on.
Yes. We need a cat.
Hold on.
Cat.
Hold on.
Stop.
No.
Working?
Yeah, I just want to get some oil right there. Go right in. Okay.
Or tractor.
Hold on. Let me go fix the other one.
What? Working it with my tractor? It's a work. It's a little bit work. Are you playing?
Oh my goodness. There you go. Let's flip this over.
Daddy, I lost another cap.
Yeah, it's been going for a long time.
Yes, we need to buy it now. How to make this low? This thing, how to make it lower?
That's how it goes. That's all as low as it goes. Hey.
Out.
Boom. There you go.
Wow.
Hook up your trailer.
Hook up. How? Hook up. Hook up.
Tell let me cut this thing a little bit shorter, okay? It's a little bit too long. Okay,
It fits.
fits? Okay, let me cut the hitch just a little bit shorter.
A time hook. About the fit. Oh no. A tie hook. Or
What happened?
a piece of
Do you know?
Oh,
Do you know to put it on?
like this. Okay. This time, what was the drive in the front yard?
Okay. He gone. So, I'm glad I had the trailer because it has a spare set of front wheels that comes on it. Now it doesn't go click, 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 click. Yeah, it's all full of weeds. Milwaukee Surge fuel brushless saved the day. It impacted those bolts right off. Put them back on, torqued them to spec.